My name is Faith. I'm a graphic designer and my company is Just Me. And my 1 to 5 rating for Canva is probably a 4. I was using Adobe Photoshop before I used Canva, and it was just taking me a long time to boot up, and it was super expensive, and several of the tools were just very clunky and more in-depth than I needed for what I do. I chose Canva because I really like it. It's easy. I can send things to other people to collaborate on. It's a very click and drag format, and it does a lot of the spacing for me. And it has amazing templates that I can customize to whatever I'm doing. Getting started with Canva was super easy. I just put in my name and email, signed up for an account, and got to work. I highly recommend Canva, especially if you do social media content or anything like that, because you can have it on your phone and your computer and sync changes between both of those depending on if you're posting on social media from your phone or if you need a more heavy duty on your computer to post a flyer, that kind of thing.